Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
At the end of the day, all that doesn't matter. If you perform well, if you do justice to your character, all that doesn't matter. When my fans, they try to do something for me, they appreciate my work. When they tell me that they have liked what I'm doing, that's the word for me.
मैं हर बार यही कहता हूँ कि ऑनेस्ट अब कोशिश थी हमारी, मेहनत की सबने, और जो बिक रहा है वो नहीं बनाया है, जो हम जिस प्रोडक्ट में बिलीव करते हैं वो बनाया है और लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया, तो इससे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात हो ही नहीं सकती और अच्छा लग ही नहीं सकता। इंटरेस्टेड इन मेकिंग गुड सिनेमा, चाहे वो फिर बॉलीवुड में हो, चाहे फिर हॉलीवुड में हो, या टीवी में हो, या वेब सीरीज़ हो, कुछ भी। आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक गुड सिनेमा, जिससे क्योंकि आजकल का यूथ और सबको ही सिनेमा से बहुत इंस्पायर होता है।
See, I believe in a very weird theory that if a man doesn't contradict himself, he has not evolved, he has not grown. And I once said that I'll never do a Sasbo. Look at me now. So yeah, I basically wanted to challenge myself. Everyone told me that no, Shahir, you can't be doing this. This is not your kind of thing. But I said no, let me try this. Because it's not my kind of thing, I want to try. On the other hand, when we look at it from a different perspective, we realize that शायद जिंदगी जीने का वही तरीका है। आप कितना सोचोगे छोटी छोटी बातों को लेके, कितना स्ट्रेस लोगे, maybe you should just forget all that and live a happy life if you can.
Actor Shahir Sheikh, who kick-started his acting career with Kya Mast Hai Life in 2009, has definitely had a crackling journey so far with shows like Navya, Jhansi Ki Rani, Mahabharat, and the recent ones like Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi and Ye Rishte Hain Pyar Ke, have made a place in audiences' hearts, and his performance and skills have always struck a chord with his loyal fans. Let's take a look at his journey with us and some of his fun moments.
Explain करना. No, I was thinking, have I? But no, I always मैं हर भाभी को भाभी की नज़र से देखता हूँ. At least I try my best to do that. Yes. My biology teacher, I was in, I think, 9th or 10th standard. No, yeah, I'm not that kind of a guy. I have never. Oh no, but by mistake once it happened. It was, क्या मैंने आपको पहले कहीं देखा है? It actually happened with the same girl twice.
One thing that irritates you about your co-star.
I think हर इंसान में जो qualities होती हैं, जो अच्छी, if you look at it in a way, वो अच्छी भी होती है और वो बुरी भी हो सकती है. तो there's nothing specific. कभी मेरे mood पे depend करता है. अगर if I'm not in a very happy mood and I'm not in a mood to joke around, then maybe I might not want to talk to anyone. Okay? तो तब कुछ भी irritate कर सकता है. हाँ. Not anything in particular she does जो मुझे irritate करता है. No.
No, I'm thinking.
You have a list, I feel.
No. No.
नहीं है.
नहीं. क्या है बताओ.
Okay, let me think. That my bossy nature.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, as humans, that's very normal to not accept what people tell you. And I'm one of those people who like telling others, like, this is wrong, this is right. I should not be doing that, but I do that almost all the time. What do you have to say about that?
No, I don't get irritated with that.
Who throw more tantrums?
Tantrums नहीं बोलते उन्हें.
नहीं, हाँ. ये
मैं ही बोल देता हूँ मैं क्या करता हूँ. ये बोल नहीं पाएंगी, शर्मा रही हैं, डर रही हैं शायद थोड़ा. गुस्सा करता हूँ कभी क्या होता है ना, लोग काम को लाइटली लेने लगते हैं, फॉर ग्रांटेड लेने लगते हैं, तो थोड़ा एक पुश की ज़रूरत होती है हमेशा हर सेट पे. डायरेक्टर तो ऑफ कोर्स होते ही हैं, कभी कभी हमें भी थोड़ा पुश करना पड़ता है लोगों को. वो भी करती हैं मगर
बहुत कम.
हाँ, मुझसे कम. मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा करता हूँ.
I'm proud of having you as co-star because.
Of course I'm proud to have her as my co-star. इतना स्मूथ और इतना अच्छे से गया है इस शो का शूट that I'm more than proud. Yeah. I feel I'm blessed that I have a co-star like Erica.
Same to same pinch. No. Along with the co-star, I find a very good friend in him too. So everything goes very well on set. You know, you don't have that ego issues or any of that sort.
True. That's one thing which is not there, which I'm happy about.
Salim was given the title of what by the Mughal?
Jahangir.
What acting, amazing.
That's what I get paid for.
Salim's three mothers' names were
रुकैया
जोधा,
जोधा सलीमा नहीं रुकैया जोधा
सलीमा है, सलीमा है,
हाँ,
step mom,
सलीमा
हाँ।
Anarkali's mother name was
You know it, of course you know it.
Mahtab. Yeah, I didn't know. It's okay, I didn't know it. You know,
it's
this
okay.
is, in fact,
Real,
you should
real.
always, this is real and you should always accept what you do not know.
when was Salim born?
I know this. 15.
इसने पक्का याद किया होगा कि मुझे
I just
पूछा
read it
जाएगा
today.
ये so
1536, I guess. नहीं?
16-9.
Okay, that's
Pretty
far
close,
away.
pretty close.
I feel blessed. I feel amazing. I feel honored. अक्सर पूछते हैं मुझसे कि मैं क्यों सेलिब्रेट नहीं करता, क्यों ऐसा नहीं करता. मुझे आई बिलीव कि वो जिस इंसान का अगर बर्थडे इट शुड बी दैट पर्सन्स डे एंड शुड बी लाइक द वे दैट पर्सन वांट्स टू स्पेंड दैट डे. वो भी पूरा दिन दूसरों की एक्सपेक्टेशंस पे खरा उतरने में निकल जाए तो क्या फायदा यार.
True, I agree. I agree.
I mean, at
It's
least
your
one day,
initiative.
just let me be. That's all I ask for. If you guys have to give me something, I honestly feel कि हमारी सोसाइटी को हम ही बनाते हैं. एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीज़न होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, एक अच्छा सिटीज़न होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. हमारी सोसाइटी को एक हेल्दी जगह बनाना एक दूसरे के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं आजकल बहुत देखता हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे, न्यूज़ में, वहाँ यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिविटी, हेट, फियर, ये सब चीज़ें हमारी सोसाइटी को खोखला कर रही हैं. नोबडी लाइक्स टू फील लाइक दैट. सो आप सब छोटा छोटा इनिशिएटिव लो, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करो जो हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए अच्छा है, हमारी एनवायरनमेंट के लिए अच्छा है. दुनिया में बहुत बड़े बड़े इश्यूज़ हैं, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है, हमारे एनिमल्स ख़त्म हो रहे हैं, हमारे लिए ये जीने लायक नहीं रह जाएगा प्लानट. तो just feel that this entire planet belongs to you, not just a state, not just a city, not just the country. The entire planet belongs to you. Usko safeguard karo. Don't fight for petty things. That'll be the best gift for me from you guys. So please do that little bit you can.
First paycheck.
$500. I was giving some complimentary gifts in a music store.
First fan encounter.
I don't remember that, but there are so many. I don't remember. Oh yeah. During Kya Mast Hai Life, my first show, this small kid in my neighborhood, she came up and knocked my door and said, "Aap veer ho na," and she ran away. That was really cute, yeah.
First date.
Long back. Oh yeah. I used to drop her home. I dropped her home once from our tuitions.
First kiss.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Of course, nobody can forget that. I remember that now. Let me relive it. At my friend's place. That's all I can tell you. Of course, especially the last question. See, I believe in a very weird theory that if a man doesn't contradict himself, he has not evolved, he has not grown. And I once said that I'll never do a Saas Bahu. And look at me now. So yeah, I basically wanted to challenge myself. Everyone told me that no, Shahir, you can't be doing this. This is not your kind of thing. But I said no, let me try this. Because it's not my kind of thing, I want to try. I don't want to be in my comfort zone all the time. Try and do something which I have not done before. Challenge myself was the idea. Early picture is Mishti and me, Mud Island. Yes, we were shooting for a dance sequence and we decided to click pictures. Actually, Koo is the one who is excited for clicking pictures all the time. तो हमने decide किया pictures click करते हैं, and that's what we did. Next, of course, this is one of my favorite picture on my account. I love this picture. This is Ma on her birthday. And yeah, it's beautiful. Like, it says everything. In her eyes, you can see everything. It's beautiful. I love it. Oh, kya baat hai. This is 4 Pandavas. Nakul is missing. But aage pictures hain uski bhi. So, yeah. This was on Friendship's Day. In which year? 2018, I guess. So, whenever I think of friends, this is the time I think of, and these are the people I think of. I guess during Mahabharat, I made some amazing friends, and we will be friends throughout our lives now, I guess. Next picture is, wow, this is on the sets of Salim Anarkali, जो मेरी माँ play कर रही थी, जो और किसी उनके बच्चे आए थे. And we were having fun. They're very cute kids. उनके साथ मस्ती मजाक कर रहा था. And that's when somebody clicked this picture. Next is also during the shoot of Mahabharat. And I was dressed as a Brahmin. And we had so much fun shooting for this. I really loved this look. Because while shooting for this phase, I guess Vanvas, we were actually shooting in the forest. We were actually living that kind of lifestyle. And it was insane. As in, some of the most amazing memories, some of the most challenging scenes I did in this costume. Last is, again, Ma's birthday. It's kind of a ritual that every year on her birthday, we all go to her house, the Kuchrang gang, and we meet her, yeah.
The coolest thing you've ever done?
Coolest thing? I don't know, cool kya hai, definition of cool, but coolest thing I've ever done, oh yeah, I stayed on this island alone, a very small island called Gili Travangan for almost 8 days alone, and that was one of the best time of my life.
Number of girlfriends you've had?
Not that I've ever tried to, but not many, yeah. Not many. But still, I don't know.
Don't know the count.
Come on, no, I was not counting.
Okay.
Worst pickup line used in you?
On me?
Yeah.
Worst pickup line? No. Girls generally don't use pickup lines.
But actors भी कर सकते हैं.
Haan, like general stuff. I really like your eyes. I think I know you. I think I've seen you somewhere. Yeah.
And we really want to know your reaction to that.
See, I'm a very blunt person.
And shy too.
No, but if I'm not really happy with the situation I'm in, with the way you deal with it, if somebody is trying to pretend, then I'm a little rude. Shy is not the word.
Show us your go-to dance move.
Go-to dance move? Not really that I do one particular dance move, but yeah, I like to flick my hair around. Yeah. जब भी हम किसी बहुत ही carefree इंसान को देखते हैं जो किसी चीज़ की stress नहीं लेता, we feel that he's childish, or we say that sensible नहीं है. But on the other hand, when we look at it from a different perspective, we realize that शायद ज़िंदगी जीने का वही तरीका है. आप कितना सोचोगे छोटी छोटी बातों को लेके, कितना स्ट्रेस लोगे, maybe you should just forget all that and live a happy life if you can. बहुत लोगों की कैपेबिलिटीज़ में वो होता ही नहीं, कैपेसिटी में होता ही नहीं कि वो चीज़ों को भुला सकें. तो if somebody can do that, you should feel happy for that person.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this flashback with Shahir Sheikh. If you did, do comment below and tell us. Make sure you hit the subscribe button as well.